Sick of not being able to control your ceiling lights with your phone? Good news! You can retrofit most of your home's light fixtures to make them web-connected. In this video, we'll recommend the most suited ones that will be compatible with your requirement. Look at some important aspects you should consider when buying a perfect match. These include dimmer, motion sensor, smart home connectivity, away mode. Now, move to our top picks. The products' links are in the description. Number 1. Light Switch HS200 by Kasa Smart. Kasa Smart Home products have been a great option if you want to build a smart home at a low cost. HS200 doesn't need a hub to get it up and running, just connect the switch to your home Wi-Fi network and you're good to go. The switch works with a number of voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa. With the Kasa app on Android and iPhone, you also have full remote control of the switch. Its features include schedule options and away mode, scenes, smart actions, and more. When installing the Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200, you will need to make sure the light switches you're replacing has a neutral wire. Its other specs include voltage, 120 volts, amperage, 5 amperes, max power, 1800 watts, LED indicator. Number 2. Kasa Wireless PD6 WCLWH by Lutron. Lutron provides smart wireless switches with ultimate convenience. Its wireless dimmer gives you the ability to set the right light for any activity, whether it's reading, watching TV, entertaining, or having a casual dinner. You can control the lights from anywhere in the room by using the Pico remote control, sold separately. Kasa connects with leading smart home devices, including Alexa, Apple HomeKit, the Google Assistant, Ring, and more. You can control a variety of ways, via the free Lutron app, your voice, or from the wall, schedule lights to change at set times or activate scenes with the touch of a button. For these, you required a smart bridge. Its further specs include 120 volts voltage, 5 amperes amperage, 600 watt of incandescent or halogen, 150 watt of dimmable LED or dimmable CFL. Number 3. 8ZULWC 3rd generation by Rakio. This model delivers all the water your plants need with smart sprinkler controller and the easy-to-use Rakio mobile app. You can easily create tailored and efficient smart schedules based on the specific needs of your yard. The Rakio app also integrates with Amazon Alexa and other smart home devices. It can reduce your water bill by up to 50% while keeping your garden healthy. Its Weather Intelligence Plus automatically skips unnecessary watering with features like rain skip, wind skip, freeze skip, and more. Its further specs include voltage of 120 volts, no of zones, 8, voice controlled, rain sensor compatible, rain delay. Number 4. Kasa Wireless PD6 ANSWH by Lutron. This switch is compatible with all of today's bulb types, including dimmable LED and CFL, halogen, and incandescent. With the Lutron Smart Bridge, sold separately, and free mobile app, you can control your Kasa wireless switches with your smartphone from any location. With a Smart Bridge, you can set lights to automatically adjust with changing seasons so your family comes back to a well-lit home. With a Pico remote and wall mount bracket that is sold separately, you can a 3-way to almost any wall surface with no cutting holes or pulling wire. Its further specs include 3-way switch wiring configuration, the amperage of 6 amperes, voltage, 120 volts, easy installation. Number 5. Kasa Wireless PBDG PKG1WA by Lutron. It is reliably smart. The Smart Bridge doesn't use Wi-Fi, so you get super fast, ultra-reliable smart lighting that works right, without slowing your Wi-Fi down with more devices. With it, you can always keep your smart light functionality, even when the Wi-Fi goes down. There's no need to reset your schedules and scenes or reconnect everything when it comes back online. Its further specs include decorator style, voltage, 120 volts, power capacity, 150 watts. Compatible with CFL. Number 6. D215S2RW Decora Smart Wi-Fi Switch by Leviton. The new generation Decora from Leviton streamlines everything into a single switch for hands-free voice control with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. For an additional cost, you can add the wire-free DAWSC Anywhere Switch Companion. The companion switch is a nice supplement for areas of the home that lack proper wirings, like a hallway or the base of a staircase. The switch is slightly smaller than other smart switches, which is nice if you have a crowded in-wall electrical box. The installation itself was quick and easy. Its other outstanding specs include amperage, 15 amperes, voltage, 120 volts. Easy to install. Number 7. Z-Wave Smart Rocker Light Dimmer by Enbrighten. The Enbrighten's Z-Wave Plus dimmer switch fits seamlessly into your smart home setup. It is simple to install, as it automatically detects line and load wires to configure itself appropriately, and you can set this switch up next to 3 additional switches. After installation, you'll get full dimming control over your lights from completely off to full brightness. You can also set up schedules and alerts, as you've come to expect from smart switches. There's even voice control since it supports Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. Just be sure you've got a Z-Wave certified hub. Its other specs include wireless range, up to 150 feet. Load, 600 watts incandescent or 300 watts dimmable CFL/LEDs. Voltage, 120 volts. Number 8. Kasa Wireless PPKG1PWH by Lutron. It can conveniently control your lights from within your home with the Pico remote. Kasa Wireless is compatible with the Lutron Smart Bridge or the Wink Hub, both sold separately, for control of your lights via your smartphone. It works with up to 100 watts of dimmable LED/CFL, 300 watts of incandescent/halogen. It can be simply plugged into a standard outlet and can be used with up to 2 lamps. It also includes plug-in lamp dimmer and Pico remote control. Its Clear Connect RF technology ensures seamless communication between system components. Its further specs include voltage rating of 120 volts. Works with up to 100 watt dimmable LED/CFL light bulbs. 300 watt incandescent/halogen bulbs. Number 9. Smart Light Switch by Wemo. One of the strongest offerings of Wemo is its Smart Light Switch. After installation, you'll be able to control your lighting fixtures with the switch, the Wemo app, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit voice commands, provided you have set up a smart speaker or display. The Wemo Smart Dimmer is flexible enough to accommodate neutral or no neutral wiring. It also supports Thread, which ensures stable connections between other smart appliances in your home. Its further specs include voltage, 120 volts. Amperage, 15 amperes. Power, load 1800 watts. Frequency, 60 Hz. Works with your existing single/double/multi-switch rocker-style plates. Number 10. Light Switch Apple HomeKit by Eve. The Eve Light Switch offers an easy way to turn your existing lights into smart lights that work great alongside other devices. This gives you multiple ways to control the Eve Light Switch, including using Siri voice commands. The Eve Light Switch has all the smart features you love. You can set schedules or timers, create scenes, or simply toggle the lights on and off using your phone, tablet, computer, or HomeKit hub. To keep things simple, the included slider also adjusts the lighting in your house. Its other specs include voltage, 230 volts. Amperage, 5 amperes. Power, load 1150 watts. Most stringent data protection. Bluetooth and Thread.